All right, so let's see how you did on the Think About It. We have Thomas. He had some shapes on his desk, which were here on the left side. He left and came back, and now the shapes had been moved over here on the right. So what happened to each shape? All you should have done was write one word or so, or a few words to describe what happened to these three shapes. So we have the triangle. It was here on the left, and then it got moved over there to the right. So you may have put that, if you just said it moved, we wanted a more descriptive word. So I could slide that shape. So the triangle was slid to the right. So if you are sliding a shape, the mathematical term for that is a translation. So this is what you want to write down. A slide is a translation. All right. Now, what happened to the rectangle? So the rectangle is here, it's horizontal, and then it gets moved, and now it is vertical. So if I started like this, I could turn it so it looks like that. So a turn, in math, you probably already know this word, is called a rotation. A rotation, so it was rotated. And then finally, we have our trapezoid. So if you look at the short side of the trapezoid, first it's facing the right, but then later when he came back, it's facing the left. So this trapezoid was flipped over, and a flip in math is called a reflection. Probably already knew that word as well. So these three types of changes, a translation, a rotation, and a reflection, are all examples of what we call rigid transformations. So in this lesson, we're learning about the three types of rigid transformations, and they are a translation, a rotation, and a reflection. So now we're going to do some practice identifying these three different types of rigid transformations.